Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a basic braid. First thing you do, you have your section of hair. You want to divide that into 3 equal parts. And I am left-handed, so I will start the braid with my left hand. Place it between my index and middle finger. The middle leg goes on top of my index finger and I hold it with my thumb. And then I have the right leg in my right hand. And then I bring the left leg under the middle leg, grab it with the right hand. And you want to keep the tension tight on the braid so that you don't have a loose braid unless that's the look you're going for. And that's how you start your basic braid. One of the ways you can start it. I'll do that again. Again, the left leg, the hair is divided into 3 legs. Left leg, middle leg, right leg. The left leg goes between my index and middle. The middle leg goes on top of my index and my thumb. And then the right leg between my middle and index. Next thing I do, bring the left leg under the middle leg, grab with the right hand. Then I take the right leg, bring it under the left leg, grab with the left hand. And I'll continue this all the way down. And if you have to, slow the video down so that you can get the full effect. Now I will show you how to braid starting with the right hand. You're going to get the same result. Doesn't matter which hand you start with. Again, take the right leg, put it between my index and middle. I take the middle leg and put it on top of my index and hold it with my thumb. I take the left leg, put it between my index and middle. And then I twist the right leg under the middle leg, grab with the left hand. Same thing, you're going to get the same result. Doesn't matter what hand you start with. But naturally, you will start with your dominant hand, whichever hand you feel comfortable starting with. The same result. I'll do that again for you. Starting with my right hand, between index and middle leg on top of index finger, holding with my thumb. Left leg between the index and middle, twist right leg under the middle leg, grab with left. Twist, grab, twist, grab. Do this all the way down. You're going to get the same result. And that's how you start a braid.